Hey everyone, welcome to a special night drive on the Outer Ring Road Expressway or ORR here in Hyderabad. Tonight, we're traveling down NH44, where the road opens up into 8 smooth lanes under the city lights. This expressway is truly one of a kind, with 20 interchange junctions that make it a masterclass in modern engineering and convenience. We'll be heading toward exit 19, where we'll take the Gachibowli junction, one of the busiest and most vibrant parts of Hyderabad. The ORR's wide-open lanes, sleek exits, and smooth curves make it a dream for night driving, and we'll get to see it all come alive in the glow of the city lights. I hope you like and enjoy the video. Please subscribe to the channel. Your support means a lot to me and motivates me to keep creating more content. So sit back, relax, and join me as we cruise through the night on this iconic stretch of highway. from Nehru Outer Ring Road, we've arrived at Gachibowli Circle. To our left is the old Mumbai highway leading toward Srilingampalli, and on the right, it heads toward Tolichoki and Mehdipatnam. This is where we'll wrap up our journey for today. Thanks for joining me on this night drive adventure. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy travels, take care, and goodbye.